Have you ever gone to one of your local dollar stores? If so, then you probably have an idea of the different items they typically offer. Welcome to Jensen's DIY, and here are 24 cheap and simple organizing ideas with items from the dollar store. 1. Having trouble giving your bathroom enough much-needed storage space? Then why not give this towel storage idea a try? This is the perfect way to keep all those towels organized while making sure that the design complements your bathroom. All you need are some dollar store baskets and a little screwing, and you're good to go. 2. There's a reason why earrings need some organizing too. It's a real pain if you misplace one, or if you are going to need a specific pair, you want to immediately know where to find it. This is exactly what this idea gives you. But instead of buying an expensive organizer, you can use an ice cube tray to do the trick. 3. You probably have a lot of bathroom electronics lying around on the sink, and it's time to put them all in a single location. All you need is a simple file box and hang it on your bathroom wall. You can use it to store hair curlers or straighteners, blow dryers, or any other appliances you mostly use in the bathroom. 4. Create a tiered, open display organizer with dollar store materials. You can place all of your accessories, such as watches, earrings, and necklaces, on this tiered tray. First, get crystal card holders, metal trays, super glue, and a sponge brush, all from the dollar store. Paint the trays in the color of your choosing. After the paint is dry, glue the candlesticks to the center of the tray. That's it! 5. Remember those plastic over-the-door shoe organizers? They don't have to be used solely for footwear. Use one to store your gift wrap, which you'll likely find useful when birthdays or other gift-giving celebrations come around. 6. Display your jewelry in a wire rack, and all you need to do is screw a wire rack onto a piece of wood to create a chic jewelry holder. 7. Are your scarves tangled up all over the place in your closet? All you need is a simple wooden hanger and some cheap curtain rings to create a scarf organizer. 8. Why buy a plastic basket when you can make a much sleeker looking one? This is exactly what a rope basket offers. Pick a design that you think is consistent with your home or the area you want to place it in. The simpler the better though, especially since the rope element lends its own style to the basket. 9. Rather than throwing them all into a basket, this unique hack will help you organize all those craft ribbons you have. It is also a perfect way to prevent them from getting tangled with each other. Simply stick a rod through the basket and start threading the ribbons onto it. Pull the ribbons through the holes and you're done. 10. A kid's room usually has less space, but the dollar store has everything you need to create more storage space. For example, this DIY storage shelf, which will provide both functionality and style. You just need to connect some plastic crates and drill holes in the bottoms so you can attach them to the wall. Voila! You have built a storage shelf. It really is that simple. 11. Want to give your bathroom extra storage space? If so, then try incorporating a second shower rod. By doing so, you are taking advantage of the area's vertical space. You can hang some small baskets from the second rod to store items like razors, scissors, extra shampoos or soaps, and a whole lot more. 12. Want to make use of some affordable accessories from the dollar store? Buy a couple of suction cups and hair elastics. You can use them as shampoo bottle holders in the bathroom. These bottle holders do not take much time at all to craft. You can get creative if you want by using different colors of hair elastics. 13. This DIY binder hack will help you manage all of your makeup and accessories. The binder hooks allow you to store them perfectly within a bathroom cabinet. All you need is a file binder, which you can buy from the dollar store. Remember to buy some screws and storage bags too. 14. Everyone can agree that organizing medicines can be quite challenging. Start by getting rid of the expired ones, and then you can easily start organizing the rest. The idea here is to categorize your medicine. Before you place each one on the shelf, make sure you label it. That way, you'll know which one to grab when you need it, and you'll have easy access next time. 15. One way to prevent germs or bacteria from growing in your bathroom is to consider organizing all your toothbrushes. Start by keeping them all in a single place. You can buy a simple plastic tray from the dollar store and store them there. Not only is this perfect for storage, but it can also help promote cleanliness. 16. Those electrical cords can easily mess with the atmosphere of a room, especially when they start to pile up. There is a way to keep them all organized in a certain area though, and all you need is a metal basket. You will have to screw it under your desk, so make sure to buy some screws. This is a simple project that could be hugely beneficial. 17. Have you ever seen those transparent travel containers from the dollar store? Pick some up and use them to your advantage. You can use them to store soap or other items like your kids' toys or colored pencils. The best part is that each container won't cost you more than $1. 18. Your kids probably love to leave toys on the staircase, and it's time to teach them how to be organized. First, buy some lightweight plastic baskets, and then put them on the staircase. That way, when your kid is done playing, they can put the toys away in the baskets. 19. You can always use a cake stand for another purpose, and in this case, you can use it as a soap stand. Place one in your bathroom and put your soap on top of it. It should help clear up all of the clutter you have under the sink. You can also place one in your kitchen to store condiments or ingredients. 20. If you are a huge spice lover, then you will definitely fall in love with this DIY project. This magnetic spice rack is built from a pizza pan and some basic magnets. Just glue the magnets on the pan and on the bottom of your spices, and you're good to go. 21. Create a chalkboard paint towel holder by getting yourself some chalkboard paint, a ribbon, and a silver easel or tray. Cover the surface of the easel with chalkboard paint and attach the ribbon for an elegant touch. You can now write messages on the chalkboard and add an elegant touch on your towel holder. 22. This idea of mobile charging station could help you solve all the clutter problems on your tables and countertops. Plus, you get to charge your mobile devices and tablets as well. All you need is a homemade mobile device charging station, and you can start with a duo power cube and a cardboard storage bin. 23. If you have some extra coffee cups lying around, try building a cheap coat rack and using it to hang your entire coffee cup set. This is a cool way to use the extra wall space in your kitchen and give the area a cute upgrade. 24. These storage bins from the dollar store are unique because they come with custom metal tags. These will allow you to separate your crafting supplies and art tools, providing an easy-to-do storage solution. And that's all for now. What do you think about this episode? Please share your thoughts about this video in the comments section. For more decorating and organizing ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.